Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to remove extra language packages from your computer. So friends, while typing on your computer, sometimes you change languages, like I usually change from English to Hindi. Like you can see that I have changed from English now to Hindi, like Mera Naam. So like you can see that I have changed just by using the shortcut shift plus alt button. So you can also change these settings by English to English to Hindi. So here one English is extra package that you really don't want. Earlier I also, when I use the shortcut key, it was problematic for me because sometimes when you are typing on your computer and you switch these languages, so this is unwanted actually, because this is repeated English and this is also English. So if you want to uninstall this, if you just want to keep only two language packs here, like English and Hindi one, so you just have to go there, like you just have to go to setting. You can also go from here from search, or also can you can go from your window button. So I'm not going, I am just using shortcut key. You just have to click on these options and you have to go to settings, and here you have to go in control panel, time languages and language region options. You will directly redirected here, but if you are choosing a long path, then you have to go to control panel and then time and language and then language region. So you have to see that I want to remove English United States US option. So you just have to see whether this option is reflecting here or not. So I am getting this option here. If that is not reflecting here, I would add a language for same, and would use like adding a language, like clicking here and searching for US English. So this is already installed. If this is not installed early, or you are not able to see here, so you have to firstly install the package and then click on the remove option. So I am already getting this reflected here, so I will click on this three dot options and then click on remove option. So here is asking, are you sure want to remove English United States? Then I am clicking on yes. I am giving to that as yes. So here is the option that if you want to change now, here you will find only English option and another one is Hindi option. So this is really very easy to change between the language packages. Hope this video is useful for you guys. Thank you.